Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean mouse pads of all sizes and materials. It doesn't matter if yours is made of cloth, plastic, metal, or something else. By the end of this, you'll know how to tackle any mouse pad cleaning challenge you've got. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Before we start cleaning, it's essential to know what material your mouse pad is made of. Each type of material needs its own cleaning approach to keep it in good condition. Here's a quick guide to help you identify what you have. Cloth or fabric, soft, flexible, and often has a rubber base to prevent slipping. These are the most common and absorb oils and spills easily. Plastic or hard polymer, these have a smooth, firm surface that's great for precise mouse movements. The texture is rigid, unlike fabric, and doesn't absorb much moisture. Metal, usually made of aluminum, metal mouse pads are sleek, durable, and resistant to scratches. Their shiny, reflective look makes them easy to spot. Glass, high-end and known for a sleek, elegant look. Glass mouse pads can be fragile and require gentle cleaning. Leather or cork, less common, but they exist. Leather has a smooth, refined texture, while cork is more natural and eco-friendly with a slightly rough surface. Identifying your mouse pad material helps you use the right cleaning method to avoid damaging it. Now, let's go through the best way to clean each type. How to clean cloth or fabric mouse pads. Now that you've identified your mouse pad material, let's start with the cleaning process for cloth or fabric mouse pads. These types are common, but they can trap oils, dust, and stains easily. Here's how to get them fresh and clean. Prepare your cleaning solution. Grab a small basin or sink and fill it with warm water. Add a drop or two of mild dish soap or detergent. Dish soaps like Dawn or Palmolive are gentle yet effective on fabrics because they cut through grease without damaging the material. Avoid harsh detergents as they can wear down the fabric over time. Submerge and soak. Place your mouse pad in the soapy water and let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. Soaking helps loosen dirt and oils trapped in the fabric, making it easier to scrub out later. If your mouse pad is large, simply soak sections of it one at a time. Scrub gently. Using a clean sponge or soft cloth, gently scrub the surface in small circles. Focus on any visible stains or spots where your hand rests, as oils tend to build up in those areas. Avoid using abrasive brushes, which can fray or damage the fabric. Rinse thoroughly. Once scrubbed, rinse your mouse pad under lukewarm water until all soap is removed. Any soap left behind can leave a sticky residue, which can attract more dirt. Press with a towel to remove water. After rinsing, place your mouse pad flat on a dry towel. Fold part of the towel over it, then gently press down to absorb as much excess water as possible. Avoid twisting or wringing the pad, as this can damage its shape or edges. The towel will help soak up moisture quickly, making the air drying process faster and keeping your mouse pad in great condition. Air dry. Once you've pressed out the excess water, lay your mouse pad flat on a clean, dry towel in a shaded area. Allow it to air dry completely before using it again. Avoid placing it in direct sunlight, as this can lead to fading or shrinkage over time. With these steps, your cloth mouse pad should be clean, dry, and ready to go. Now let's go to the next one. How to clean plastic or hard polymer mouse pads. Plastic and hard polymer mouse pads are durable and require a slightly different cleaning process. Here's how to keep them looking and working like new. Prepare your soapy water. In a small bowl, mix warm water with a drop of mild dish soap. Plastic surfaces can handle a bit more soap than cloth, but it's still best to keep the solution mild to avoid any sticky residue. Dip and wipe. Dampen a soft cloth or sponge in the soapy water, wring it out so it's not dripping, and wipe down the surface of the mouse pad. You can scrub with a bit more pressure than you would with fabric to remove any stuck-on dirt or grime. Scrub stubborn spots. For any tough spots or stains, use a soft bristled toothbrush to gently scrub the area. Plastic is resilient, but avoid using abrasive cleaners or tools that could scratch the surface. Rinse off soap residue. Dampen a clean cloth with plain water, no soap, and wipe down the mouse pad to remove any soapy residue. This prevents any sticky spots that could affect mouse performance. Dry completely. Pat the mouse pad dry with a towel and allow it to air dry completely. Since plastic doesn't absorb moisture, drying should be quicker than with fabric pads. Make sure it's entirely dry before using it to avoid slipping or water damage. You'll now enjoy better performance with your plastic mouse pads. Now let's go to the next one. How to clean metal mouse pads. Metal mouse pads, often made of aluminum, are sleek, stylish, and incredibly durable. They're less prone to holding onto oils or dirt, but still need regular cleaning to maintain their shine. Here's how to clean a metal mouse pad safely. Prepare your cleaning solution. Just as with other types, fill a small bowl with warm water and add a drop or two of mild dish soap. Avoid using acidic or abrasive cleaners that could damage the metal surface or finish. Wipe the surface gently. Dampen a soft cloth with the soapy solution and gently wipe down the metal surface. You can apply light pressure to remove fingerprints, dust, or small stains. The goal here is to avoid scratching while still giving it a thorough wipe. Target stubborn stains. If there are tough spots or sticky areas, use a soft bristled toothbrush to scrub them carefully. Metal is sturdy, but using a soft brush prevents unwanted scratches. Rinse and wipe dry. Take a clean cloth dampened with plain water and wipe down the mouse pad to remove any soap residue. Leftover soap can make the surface feel tacky, which you want to avoid. Dry and polish. Pat the surface dry with a towel and let it air dry completely. If you want a sleek, polished look, buff it with a microfiber cloth once it's dry. This brings back the shine and removes any streaks from the surface. Your metal mouse pad will be sparkling clean and ready to enhance your workspace. Now let's get to the next one. How to clean glass mouse pads. Glass mouse pads are smooth, elegant, and add a unique touch to your setup. However, they can easily show fingerprints and smudges, so here's how to keep them looking flawless. Create a gentle cleaning solution. Fill a small bowl with warm water and add just a drop of mild dish soap. Glass is non-porous, so you don't need much soap to clean it effectively. Avoid strong chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as they can leave streaks and affect the finish. Wipe down with a soft cloth. Dampen a soft, non-abrasive cloth in the soapy water, wring it out so it's not soaking, and gently wipe the surface of your glass mouse pad. Make sure to cover the entire area to lift off any dirt, dust, or smudges. Target stubborn marks with a microfiber cloth. If there are spots that don't come off easily, switch to a microfiber cloth and gently buff those areas. Microfiber is ideal for glass because it won't scratch and will leave a streak-free finish. Rinse the surface. Dampen a clean cloth with plain water and wipe down the glass to remove any leftover soap. This step is essential for avoiding streaks and a sticky feel. Dry and polish. Use a dry microfiber cloth to gently polish the surface until it's free of water spots or streaks. Glass cleaning experts recommend this step to achieve a clear, sparkling finish. Your glass mouse pad will look as good as new and be perfectly smooth for mouse movement. Now we're finally onto the last type. How to clean leather or cork mouse pads. Leather and cork mouse pads are unique materials that require special care. Here's how to safely clean and maintain each type. Spot clean with water. Dampen a soft cloth with plain water, no soap needed, and gently dab at any dirt or spills on the surface. For both leather and cork, avoid soaking the material, as too much water can damage or warp them over time. Use a leather cleaner for leather. For leather mouse pads, apply a small amount of leather cleaner to a clean cloth and gently rub it over the surface. Leather cleaners, recommended by leather experts, help keep the material soft and prevent cracking. Avoid household soaps or cleaners, which can dry out leather. Clean cork with a damp cloth. Cork is more porous and eco-friendly, but it requires a gentle touch. Simply use a damp cloth to wipe the surface, focusing on any spots. Avoid harsh cleaners, as cork can be sensitive to chemicals. Dry gently and air dry. For both leather and cork, pat the mouse pad dry with a towel and let it air dry completely. Leather can be particularly sensitive to direct heat or sunlight, so place it in a shaded area to dry naturally. Condition leather. Once dry, you can apply a small amount of leather conditioner to keep the leather supple and looking like new. This step isn't necessary for cork. Following these steps will keep your leather or cork mouse pad clean and well maintained, so it lasts longer and adds style to your workspace. Now, a couple of final tips to make sure your mouse pad stays clean for longer. Try washing your hands before using your computer to minimize oils, and store your mouse pad in a dust-free area when not in use. And remember, regular light cleaning can keep it looking fresh and lasting longer. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how these methods work for you or any questions you have.